The DAP Public Management Development Program welcomed the 7th batch of the WISE Phronetic Leadership class on March 3, 2025 at the New Clark City in Capas, Tarlac. This class comprises 18 senior government officials from various agencies, all dedicated to advancing digital transformation in public service. Vice President Nancy Caparos initiated the residential training by outlining DAP's mission and the objectives of PMDP, emphasizing the significance of continuous leadership development. Subsequently, Director Reina Carmelita F. Young highlighted the critical role of digital transformation in achieving national development goals. Renowned leadership expert Professor Hideki Kawada led knowledge exercises, encouraging innovative thinking and practical wisdom in leadership. Throughout the residential training, scholars engaged in a series of workshops and interactive sessions, including socialization activities, each designed to enhance leadership capabilities and foster innovative thinking.
Before coming to this activity, I was expecting to learn new things and even unlearn some of the bad things that been kept in my mind. But upon interaction with the resource persons and with my fellow learners, the knowledge sharing was really impactful. It made me realize that our respective responsibilities are related.
The foundation of the WISE Phronetic leadership. So the concept, how it evolved, and how it is being practiced through actual cases here and abroad. For us to apply the learnings that we had from this training to our respective agencies. The theme of this training, of this batch, is digital transformation. So it's a whole of government and whole of society approach to achieve this vision of digitalizing the entire government.
One of the things that probably we have to look at all our management information systems, because we saw it in depth ed. The way I look at it, the efficiency of the record management system, their human resource system. So that's one. Second, probably even in the training, it gave me an idea that we can actually try to look at AI without necessarily divulging so much to artificial intelligence platform.
The batch is set to visit Tokyo, Japan in April as part of their observational study visit. The DAP continues its mission to empower public sector leaders, equipping them to navigate the complexities of modern governance and deliver exceptional service to the Filipino people. For the latest news, be the first to know here in PMDP Bites.